Hello everyone, in this video we will be studying question number 13. So now here we see question number 13. The midpoints of the sides of triangle ABC are D, E and F. Given that the coordinates D, E and F are these respectively, find the coordinates of A, B and C. So now what they have done is, in this question they have given one triangle and the corner points of the triangle vertices are A, B and C. But they have not given the coordinates of A, B and C, but they have given the coordinates of the midpoints of the three sides. So D, E and F, and they have given the coordinates. We have to find the coordinates of the corner vertices of the triangle. So we have to find the coordinates of A, B and C. So uh, now we will start finding out these coordinates. Now this D point, E point and F point are the midpoints of these sides. So we will use midpoint formula. Okay, so we will say solve using midpoint formula. Okay, solve using midpoint formula. Now first we will solve for D point. So D is the midpoint of side AB, right? So D midpoint, how the formula, what is the formula? We'll write it first. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. This is for x. Y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And with this formula we will get the coordinates of D point. Okay, but in the question already they have given the coordinates. So instead of D I can write 5 comma 1. So 5 comma 1 already they have given is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We don't know what is x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So we'll keep it as it is. Now if we see this phi, we get phi from when we solve this part. Okay, so when we solve this part, okay, we get phi. And when we solve this part, we get this one. So 5 belongs to this part and 1 belongs to this. So what I can do is I can say therefore x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to 5. I can say like this, and I will send this 2 to the other side. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 will go there and it will get multiplied with 5, right? So it will become 10. So I will take this as equation 1. All right. Now similarly what I can do is I can do it for y, right? And for y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and y this is equal to 1. So I will write 1 and 2 I will send to the other side. So it will become y1 plus y2 is equal to 2 will go that side and it will multiply with 1. So it will become 2. And I will take this as equation 2. Okay, so how I have done this for this D point. Okay, for this D point, similarly I will do such kind of calculation for E point and F point. Okay, so we will start doing the calculation for E point. Now we will see here E is the midpoint midpoint of BC. Okay, point of BC. So E is equal to what is E? E is 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5 is equal to x x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y2 plus y3 upon. So this 6 belongs to this and phi belongs to y, right? So therefore I can write x2 plus x3 upon 2 is equal to 6, and 2 I will shift there, so it will become x2 plus x3, 2 will go there and it will multiply, 6 2s are 12. Let me take this as equation 3. Then similarly, and y2 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So I will send to that side. So y2 plus y3 is equal to 5 to the, I will write directly as 10. And let me take this as equation 4. Now here what we will do, similarly we will say f is the midpoint of AC. Okay, and f, the coordinate is 0, 3 equal to x3 plus x1 upon 2 and y3 plus y1 upon 2. Okay, so 0 belongs to this part and 3 belongs to this part. So x3 plus x1 upon 2 is equal to 0, and 2 will go here and it will become 0. So x3 plus x1 is equal to 0. This will become equation 5, and y3 plus y1 upon 2 is equal to 3. 2 will go here and it will become 2 3s are 6. So y3 plus y1 is equal to 6, and this is equation 6. Now what we will do here, we will add all x equations. So add equation 1, equation 3 and equation 5. So all x equations we will add where x is present. So x1 plus x2, then a third equation is x2 plus x3, then fifth equation is x3 plus x1. So on the left, right we will add, all left hand side we will add, and on the other side we will add all the right hand side numbers. So 10 plus 12 plus 0. Now if we see here, we have 2 times x1 x1. So this will become 2x1. Similarly 2 times we have x2 x2. So this will become 2x2, and x3 and x3 2 times we have, so it will become 2x3 is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 0 is 22. Now we will take 2 common outside, and what will remain is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 22. Now 2 will go that side and it will get divided, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 22 divided by 2. 2 ones are 1 and 1. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 11, and let me take this as equation 7. Now we will say that we know we know uh, from equation 1 that that x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. So here x1 plus x2, what it will become? It will become 10 plus x3 I will keep as it is, is equal to 11 as it is. Now 10 I will send that side. So x3 is equal to 11 minus 10. So therefore x3 what I will get is 1. Okay. So I got x3 as 1. Now we will say we know from equation 3 that x2 plus x3 is equal to 12. And what we will do is we will substitute this in equation 7. Okay, so here this is equation 7. So this is equation 7. So x2 plus x3 is 12. So x2 and x3 is 12. So I will write here x1 plus 12 is equal to 11 as per this equation. Okay, now here what I will do is I will send 12 to the other side. So here I will continue this part now. So x1 is equal to 11 minus 12. So therefore x1 will become minus 1 because 12 is bigger, right? So it will become minus 1. Now we know from equation 5 that x1 plus x3 is equal to 0, and we will substitute this equation 7. So equation 7 is here. So x1 plus x3 is how much? It is 0. So 0 plus what will remain is x2 is equal to 11. So 0 you leave it directly. So x2 will become 11. So here we got x3, x1 and x2. Now similarly on the next page what we will do, we will take all the y variables, okay, and we will find y1, y2 and y3. Now here we will say add equation 2, 4 and 6. So all the y equations we will add. So now here if we see 2, 4 and 6, so all the left, right we will add. Left on the left side, right on the right side. So y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y3 plus y1 is equal to 2 plus 10 plus 6. So 2 times y1 we have, so 2y1 plus y2 2 times we have, so 2y2 and 2y3 equal to, we'll add this, it will become 18. We will take 2 common outside, so y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 18. Send 2 to the other side, so y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 18 divided by 2. So 2 1s and 9s are. So therefore y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 9, and we will take this as equation 8. So now we will say we know, same like how we did for x. So we know from equation 2 that y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. So substitute in equation 8. So y1 y2 is y1 plus y2 is 2. So this part will become 2. So 2 plus y3 is equal to 9. So I'll send 2 to the other side, it will become minus. So plus will become minus, so minus 2, and y3 will become 7. So we got y3 value as 7. So now the remaining part will be here. So we will say we know from equation 4 that y2 plus y3 is equal to 10. So substitute in equation 8. So y2 plus y3 will become 10. So y1 plus 10 is equal to 9. So y1 is equal to 9 minus 10. So y1 is minus 1. Okay. So y1 value is what? It is minus 1. Now we will say we know from equation 6 that y1 plus y3 is equal to 6. So substitute in equation 8. So here y2 with 6 is equal to 9. So y2 is equal to 6 will go that side, it will become minus. Therefore y2 is equal to 3. So we got the value of y2. Now finally we have to write and show the answer properly. So therefore coordinates of A, which we have taken as x1 y1, are x1 is minus 1 and y1 is also minus 1. Then coordinates of B, which we have taken as x2 y2, are 11 comma 3. x2 is 11, y2 is 3. Similarly coordinates of C, which we had taken as x3 y3, is equal to 1 comma 7. x3 is 1, y3 is 7, and this is our final answer. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.